Welcome back to Eric Brady Construction. If you've been following this project from the beginning, thanks for coming back. And if you're new here, this deck demolition is just one phase of a much larger transformation. We've already removed a 1970s addition from this home, completed grading work, and installed a new gravel driveway using the Kubota SVL97-3 compact track loader. Today we have Eric, who's operating the Kubota KX080-5 excavator to remove this old wooden deck and continue prepping the property for what's next. Every project is a little different, and it's always satisfying to see the progress from start to finish. So as you watch this deck tear down, just know that this isn't the end. We still have debris hauling, black dirt cleanup, site prep, and more coming before this project is fully wrapped up. At Eric Brady Construction, we handle a wide variety of excavation and site development projects. That includes demolition, dirt work, grading, gravel driveways, certified sewer installation, roadways, house pads, concrete tear-outs, hauling, shop site prep, and more. If you're enjoying this type of content, make sure to go ahead and like this video and subscribe so you don't miss the rest of this project or future jobs. And we'd also love to hear from you in the comments. Let us know what you'd like to see more of, whether it's demo, dirt work, grading, equipment close-ups, or full project walkthroughs. And if you haven't seen the earlier videos yet, check out our house demolition and site prep playlist. Everything is in there, so you can watch this project from day one through the final cleanup. All right, let's get into it. If you've made it this far, thanks again for watching. Make sure you go ahead and subscribe to Eric Brady Construction so you can see what we're up to next. Thank you.